out here at Beeno, and we got Sam again, who's following behind me, and we're gonna go ride step up. We're gonna go ride step up.
Well, I got my Air Forces on today.
You had Air Forces on last time too.
Black ones this time.
Yeah, I know, but like, I've got Air Forces on too.
I didn't find my other ones.
Oh, sad. Where could you possibly put them?
Huh?
Where could you possibly put them?
Likely.
Let's attempt.
I'm going.
I'm going behind you.
Yeah, you follow.
Oh my gosh, someone's coming up my backside. Do you want to go up there?
Where? The big one.
Where the kid with the white helmet standing on.
No.
You want to go up there?
I'm not.
I will. When the wind goes down, yeah.
I'm gonna get up there.
No way.
What?
I tightened my scoot as tight as it could get. And it's already loosened.
Alright, move. Move.
Go up there.
Yeah, bro. No, I wanna do it.
It's not that bad. I probably should have chopped in my mouth guard.
Yeah, going down this.
Yeah, because I'm only using it for like vert and stuff. Not small ramps, but you know.
Go down.
Oh, it looks tiny for some reason.
Today it looks tiny.
Alrighty, so still warming up. But you should see what I did to my shoe. Look at that. Very angry at myself for doing that. But got a mouth guard for vert, and look at this amazing job I did molding it to my teeth. So yeah, let's go. Whoa! Make it up. Where's your helmet at? Why haven't you got a helmet? Bro! It's raining!
It's sprinkling.
It's raining, it's pouring, huh? Yeah, let's go 7-Eleven. Alright, let's go 7-Eleven.
Where it starts.
And we'll see you there.
Do you want to leave your scoot here?
It's not allowed in there. Open sesame. You know, the reason why they say open sesame is because that originally said open says me. You know?
No.
Why are we in this aisle? Do you need some baked beans?
Got 2 for $6.50.
Wow, that is a lot of chips.
Where? Oh, that's a lot.
I know where your secret stash is now.
Oh
I
yeah.
could buy some because, you know, I could use some space.
What chips do you like?
I don't know. Where are the little ones? Oh, here they are. Do you want some, Sam?
Huh?
Do you want some of these?
You can have them. Frozen Powerade.
They are. Ooh.
Are they like slushy?
No, they're like ice blocks, but by the time we get down there, they'll be slushy.
No, I want a water for some reason. Why is some water $8? And then
Why would water be $8?
water $8 and then water is at $3.
I have no idea. Come on, there can't be any deals on Gatorades. Oh well, the deal's still on for Powerades then.
Oh, gravity too.
Remember, don't fill it up all the way, otherwise it's going to overflow. I'm trying not to get it to overflow.
When you're
Like,
ready,
what if I'm not ready? Oh, let me give you an awesome. I've got to give you an awesome score.
Oh, thank you.
I came here for cigarette. No, I'm just kidding. I came for a Slurpee.
For cigarette.
Thank you. All right. So what we're gonna do, Sam?
I can take that.
You take your Maximus. I'll take me Slurpee, which is already melted. Meet you back at the skatepark. Oh, it's already wet. All right. I'm going to attempt to ride in the wet metal. Oh, man, it's raining. It's raining like mad. Bro, it's so wet.
That's what she said.
What'd you do this time? Okay then. Oh my gosh, that's scary. Okay. No way I can actually get a finger today. I'll try get a finger out of fly out and then I'll go spin. Oh! Surely the video saw that, right? There we go. Haven't done much this video, but I'm going to end it and I'm going to start another one because I'm going to go into the second one. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, like, subscribe, turn notifications on if you want, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Baby, welcome to the party. I'm off the Myers and the lean. That's why